Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best hurricane lamps in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Etekcity LED Camping Lantern 4-pack. This 4-pack lantern is designed to be strong and durable so that it will not become damaged when it is used. They also use low voltage, so you do not have to worry about not being able to charge the light. This can come in handy if you are going to be using the light for a long period of time. The light has a rechargeable battery and will last for several hours depending on how many uses you get out of it. It can be a great way to light up the night and make your campsite more safe. You do not have to worry about losing light when you are hiking because it will have enough light to see even with the lowest of lights. This can allow you to enjoy the woods and not have to worry about a risk of lighting fires. With its collapsible design, the lantern is portable like a smartphone, which makes it an ideal camping supply, and it's lightweight. Easily pack it in your backpack while camping or hiking. Number 2. Our second best pick is Etekcity Camping Lantern battery-powered LED 2-pack. This is a great tool to use for camping or as a table lamp in your home. It is made out of a very durable plastic and will stand up to any kind of weather that your area can throw at it. This is perfect if you want to be able to use a lantern during the hurricane season. Everyone should have one of these handy in case of an emergency. The best thing about this model lantern is that it comes with 2 of the most important things needed for your camping trip: a lantern light and a backup battery. This is perfect because during a storm it is nice to be able to have light so that you can see to get into a tent. The battery in this product is a AAA battery, which means that it can work for 3 hours continuously. The price of this product is quite affordable and it can last for years if used effectively during your camping trip. Number 3. Our third best pick is Blazin Fireball Brightest Dimmable LED Lantern. This LED lantern is a unique lamp that can be used to create a unique atmosphere in camping. These creatively designed lighting options are extremely versatile, allowing you to place them just about anywhere. The most popular use for this type of lamp is as a portable light, which makes it especially useful for those who are traveling on boats or even hiking. These units can be easily removed so that they can be placed away from other sources of light in order to prevent glare from getting in your eyes. In the case of this lantern, you have a light that is very similar to the original light, but it has the ability to emit a brighter light and to produce a much more durable light than its counterpart. Many homeowners report that they typically get around 5 hours of illumination during a single night using this particular light fixture. Use the Fireball Rechargeable to charge up your phone or tablet without worrying about the nearest power outlet. Don't panic during the next power outage and your phone only has 20% charge remaining. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is YAKii LED Vintage Lantern. This brand is a leader in the lighting industry, and it comes as no surprise that the latest in its line of products is this LED metal hurricane lamp. This modern light fixture is perfect for severe weather conditions, providing bright, brilliant illumination with all of the benefits of a traditional lamp. Made of metal, this contemporary lamp has an attractive glossy color and offers a great deal of durability. One of the best things about this lamp is how simple it looks. It features one lighted bulb that sits atop a cluster of halogen lights, which combine for an excellent balance of practicality and aesthetics. The lamp base can be removed and changed easily if you so desire, and it includes an acrylic reflector to help distribute light more uniformly throughout its lighted surface. More close to the traditional kerosene lamp light control design. Rotates clockwise and counterclockwise to adjust the brightness from very dim to very bright light, set the lighting to precisely your liking. Controlling its brightness according to the environment you need to work. It is a safer and more reliable alternative oil lantern. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Tough Light USB Rechargeable LED Lantern. This model LED light is one of the most impressive and useful inventions that we have seen in a long time. It is a new design and concept of a USB charging light that will be available for everyday use and beyond. It is a rechargeable light that can be used in your car, home, or to light any other place where a light would be handy, especially for dark places and nooks where you would like to focus your attention when necessary. The good thing about this lantern is that it charges itself by using the energy from your own battery. This makes it very convenient to use, and you can even set it so that it turns off when it is not being used. If you want to extend the life of the light bulb or if you want to save money on your power bill, you should definitely consider using this USB rechargeable LED light. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.